Charlie, and today Samsung Galaxy Note 7. Remember a few days ago, like last week when I got my Note, the S Pen did get messed up. I don't know how it happened, but it wasn't clicking. I made some videos about that. I put in the description. I tried to fix it myself and I made it worse. I did go to T-Mobile first and I tried to get a new one, but did not know new phones in stock, and they wanted to just switch it, which that was very gracious of them. But anyway, I did go ahead and I ordered myself a new one. This is from Amazon. I got it from Amazon. This is directly original replacement. This is the black one. So I got this on Amazon for $34, $38. That's with prime shipping. So let's go ahead and open that bad boy, because let me tell you, it's been a rough week. Oh, nice. Oh, I thought that was white. I was gonna be so freaked out. So this is the original one from Samsung, made by Samsung and everything by Samsung. So it's an exact replacement. We're gonna make sure we open it properly in case. Oh, and they will send extra tips too. So you get extra tips. You get extra tips here also. And here it is. In all its glory, you have. And this one is working for sure. So this is what happened the last time. It wasn't flicking. When you pull it up, it came up, but it wasn't staying up. But anyway, and you can see, yeah, it's the exact same thing. So let's push that bad boy inside. I think I turn off. Okay. So far so good. Oh my god, yes. Yep. And it works. And it works. Yep, so everything worked. Let's turn off the screen. Let's pull it out on the close screen, and it should, alright. So yes, it does work. Yeah, perfect. This is exactly what the doctor ordered. See you later. Like and subscribe. Charlie, I'm out.
Crazy, do the mumble like a crazy, with a humble like a crazy, humble like a crazy, humble like a crazy, humble like a crazy, humble like